So if you want to see how I do this tutorial, keep watching. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. With this project, you're going to need Mod Podge, some glitter, a brush, some glue, a glue gun, some scissors, some ribbon of your choice, some Christmas picks, and a tray. I think it's a cake tray from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna get started by gluing the greenery Christmas picks onto the tray. At this time, I'm going to be adding my little Christmas picks to the tray. So you'll see me adding those at this time. And you just choose whatever would match with your style. I chose some rose gold stuff, and I added a little more glitter to the pine cone because I wanted to add a little pink to that. So it's all about what you want to do, how you want to make it look. ribbon at this time, I'm just going to fold the ribbon and secure it in the middle, making a bow. And I'm going to glue it down so that it will stay in place. And then I'm going to add some wire. I'm actually using some of the wire that came from one of the picks. I'm going to make the tail of the ribbon. I'm just going to fold it and glue it. And then I'm going to glue that part on to the tray first. And I'm not an expert at dovetailing, so I did my best. Glue it onto the tray. Make sure it's glued tight. And wrap the wire around. I'm wrapping the wire around the bow. Whenever you're making your bows, make sure you always fluff them out so that they look fluffy. Cutting the remaining wire off, gluing it to the tray. And then I just gotta fix up whatever seems to be not quite right, but I think it looks good because I'm not a bow expert. I do the best I can do, and that's what it's all about. So I'm just gonna add a little pretty pink flower to the middle of the bow to add an extra special touch. And I'm pretty much done with this DIY. So let me know what you think about the DIY, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to thank you for watching. Bye.